Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas. In today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. If you follow my makeup Instagram, then you would know that I'm doing 12 days of makeup, so I'm posting a different makeup look every day for the next 12 days. Well, I started on the 13th, so from the 13th up until Christmas, so that will be 12 days. But if you want to check that out, then my makeup Instagram is ImJustJazzmine. It's also down in the description box, so check that out. But for my first look, I did this natural soft eye and kind of a bold lip, like a pink lip. So I actually loved how it ended up turning out, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. But I'm not gonna talk you guys' heads off. I hope that you enjoy the rest of this video, so make sure to stick around. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas. I know I'm behind a couple of days, but I'm gonna catch up. But I'll see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas. Bye y'all.